Tonight's Fact or Fiction is brought to you by America's Finest Carpet.
In tonight's Fact or Fiction, we're looking into a disturbing picture going around social media. It appears to show a woman offering her services as a babysitter for white kids only. Fortunately, this one is fiction. While the flyer says Deborah Allen, it actually shows a picture of an Oregon woman named Amber Lee Hughes. She told the Eugene Weekly that it was likely an ex-boyfriend who created that fake flyer. She's a college student studying to be a chef and says the blowback from the flyer has forced her to change her phone number. Hughes says not only is she not racist, she's not even babysitting right now.